The anticipation surrounding DJI's Mini 5 Pro continues to grow, igniting curiosity across the drone enthusiast community. DJI has long been the dominant force in the drone market, constantly pushing the envelope of innovation. With the Mini 5 Pro on the horizon, the possibilities are immense. While DJI has yet to release any official statements, a wealth of leaks, rumors, and speculation are painting a picture of what this next generation drone could offer. Whether you're a casual hobbyist or a professional aerial photographer, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone launches in recent memory. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into everything we know so far, from the rumored camera upgrades and flight time improvements to the possible price and release date of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. One of the most compelling rumors about the DJI Mini 5 Pro centers on its camera capabilities. DJI has a strong reputation for equipping its drones with cutting-edge camera technology, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to follow suit. According to leaks, the Mini 5 Pro will come with a significant camera resolution upgrade, potentially raising the bar for compact drones. DJI claimed that this new model could feature a larger sensor size, enhancing dynamic range and low-light performance, a key factor for users shooting during dawn, dusk, or in other challenging lighting conditions. The enhanced sensor may also allow for higher resolution video, with some reports suggesting that the Mini 5 Pro could even support 8K video recording. There's also a lot of buzz about the Mini 5 Pro possibly incorporating HDR, high dynamic range, capabilities. HDR is known for delivering more vibrant colors and a greater level of detail in both the shadows and highlights of an image. Current leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will have a maximum flight time of around 35 to 40 minutes per charge, a noticeable improvement over the Mini 3 Pro's 34 minutes. Leaks suggest that DJI could be developing new cinematic modes that allow users to execute complex maneuvers with just a few taps, making the Mini 5 Pro even more accessible to novice users, while still offering professionals the flexibility to customize their shots. Another possibility is an update to Master Shots, which was introduced in previous models. This feature allows the drone to automatically capture and edit a sequence of video clips. While there has been no official confirmation, various sources suggest that the DJI Mini 5 Pro price will fall somewhere between $600 and $800. As we wrap up, it's clear that the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated drone releases of 2024. With rumored improvements in camera technology, flight performance, and intelligent features, DJI is once again pushing the boundaries of what a compact drone can achieve. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the Mini 5 Pro and other upcoming drone releases.